In this video, I'm gonna teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install Epson L3150 printer driver in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's begin. Firstly, you need to navigate at the button search bar here and type for Chrome. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until a best match should appear, and once it's here, all you need to do is you need to click on Open to continue. In a while, you would be redirected to the Chrome browser. All you need to do is you need to wait until everything are set here before we search our printer driver. And please wait until everything are set. And once the search bar is being available here, please type for Epson space L3150 driver. Then hit the enter key so that you would be redirected to the result. And please proceed to the first result. Select any of this. Anyway, they have similar options. As long as you can download the printer driver, that's good. So you can see their Epson L3150. All you need to do is you need to scroll down, click on downloads to refresh the page, and wait until you can see the printer driver that you can download it. So from here, it will ask you to select your operating system. Click on this down arrow key and choose your operating system, which is in my case, Windows 11 is my OS. So click on go, and eventually it will refresh the page. Please wait. Click on this downloads and wait until you can see the driver. So from here, please click on the drivers and it will show you the printer driver. All you need to do is you need to click on download aligning to it. And if it will ask you to agree on the license agreement, click on I accept or accept and click on the skip at the upper right side of that so that you can now start eventually on the downloading process. So please wait until this would be done before we continue to the installation. Once done, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that we need to do is we need to move that to the desktop. So by that, make a right click and go with the Scott icon. The moment you do that, close the window as well as this one. And from here, please make a right click and go with this paste icon. Once you have pasted the driver, we need to extract it. So there are two ways on how to extract it. You can double tap to it, and in that way you would be able to unzip or extract the file, or you can simply make a right click and use the WinRAR tool or WinRAR program to extract it. So go with it and go with extract to L3150 and kindly wait until a new file folder would be created. So once it's here, meaning we have successfully extracted the file. So by that, please navigate to the start icon, make a right click, and then you need to scroll up and click on the settings. Okay, so here at the settings window, please navigate to the left pane where you can see a list of the option. Please locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. Tap on it, and here please proceed with printers and scanners, and you can see an option like this. Click on Add Device and wait until you can be proceeded to the manual installation of our printer driver. Once it's here, click on Add Manually, and eventually this kind of window would show up. Click on add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. Select it, go with next, go with have disk, and you need to click on numbers. So from here, navigate to the desktop. Please scroll down, double tap to it, double tapped, double tap once again, and just identify any of the driver here. They function similarly, so no worries for that. So it would be added here. So click on next, go with next, and in a while it will now start on the installation. So we just have to wait until this would be finished since we're almost there. Okay, so once done, you can allow for printer sharing if you would like to, or you can turn the other on if you would like to keep it private printer. So go with next, and if you would like it to set it as your default printer, you can check the box. Once you're good, go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed Epson L3150 printer series in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So that's it. If you think this video helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and have a good day, everyone.